Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this cute box with the lid, quick and easy way. So I have also stored some material. I have made some envelopes and I have stored some materials in this. So I'll show you how to make this box. So first you take an A4 size paper. Okay, here I'm not going to use the scale or anything. I'm going to take the measurements from the grid itself on my cutting mat. So first what I'll do is I'll fold the paper all around by 3 centimeters like this. So this is the 3 centimeters, so I'm going to fold it. Okay, one side I have done. So I have folded one side I have folded 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Once you have folded from all the 4 sides, now from this bottom till this folding line, fold your paper like this. Okay, get this marking and then unfold, turn the paper around, and from this point again you have to fold it back like this. Get this marking. Okay, now keep your paper like this. Now you have to cut only. Now take the scissor and you have to see, this is your horizontal line. So vertical lines you can see 1 2 3 4. So cut both the 4 lines, this side as well as this side. Okay, so I have cut the paper. Can you see I have cut all the 4 markings whatever I had. Now I'll glue it. So first what I'll do, I'll bend this like this and I'll glue these 2 sides first. So once you have glued these 2 sides, now glue these 2 sides inside like this. Put the glue and put it. So the base of your box is already ready. Okay, after you have glued these 2, now finally I'll glue this inside like this. I'll put the glue and I'll glue it inside. Allow it to dry for some time. Your box is ready. You can open and you can keep whatever you want. It's a quick and easy method. This is like I have not taken any particular measurement or I didn't wanted any particular dimension for the size of my box. But if I want any particular dimension, so I have to mark it the same way. The height of the box I have to mark all around, and then for the middle I can just fold like this and get the marking. Sometimes we have made the box and you need the partitions inside the box. Quick way to do is take a strip which is as the height of your box, and you can fold on both the sides and you can just glue it to make the partition like this. Okay, this is one way of making the partition, but I prefer the other way. Sometimes when you're keeping some card materials, your cards might slip through this. If you're keeping something like solids or like something big, you can use this type of partition. But the other way is take the twice the height of your this thing, fold it and then paste it like this. You fold it like this and then you paste it. So this is like an U shaped this thing, so I'm going to just paste it like this. So in this case the papers won't slip through to the other side. So this is a quick and easy way to make a box with the partition. Thank you.